All right, so on today's agenda, we are doing this. Some light on. I have no idea how the quality looks, but we're doing everything on a GoPro. Put the DSLR down, and we're gonna try this edit without it. So we got the alternator drive belt tensioner. This is the belt tensioner basically, and 2 drive pulleys. So if you noticed before, actually let me give this car a good start, and you can hear how the vehicle sounds. You hear that winding noise. Look what I got. Beautiful. Great. Dope. Cool. It's not too tight. Nice. Boy. Check it out. All good. And then Carlos to the rescue. Carlos got cool tools. Look at this. Nice. Is it snap-on?
No.
No?
Platinum.
Platinum. I make platinum. Keystone.
Snap-on probably wants like 300 for those.
Oh yeah. Bam! Carlos bailed me out. So I didn't want to act like I did it. So we'll give credit where credit's due. Alright, tensioner's in. That was a pain in the butt. Actually had to push the alternator forward. I didn't want to take it out. Now I hit my finger. Ow! Shit! Alright, I just fucking hit my finger so fucking hard. But it's okay. We must continue. It's all good. It's on my nail. Oh shit, my nail's turning black. Fuck. It's all good. Shit, man. That hurt. Anyway, I'll be right back. This sucks, but show must go on. All the pulleys are in. So we got one new tensioner, and then there's a pulley up there for the power steering. So it's all 3. This thing shouldn't make any noise. Before it was jumping timing. Hopefully, I mean not jumping timing. The belt was jumping, so hopefully it doesn't slip. So we will see. Here we go for the startup. Oh, I just wanted to note, Mr. Angel, Mystic Mac, he was saying, you know, when a belt usually jumps over like that, it's usually like a bent bolt. But when I took out the alternator bolt, checked it out, because it was skipping. It was like jumping when I was taking it out. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's definitely bent, so I had to put another bolt. So maybe that could have been it. This sounded right. Look at that. We found a bent bolt right on the alternator, right where it was giving problems. So here we go. Quiet, and it didn't jump. That's it. Man, now it's sounding how it's supposed to sound. Mission accomplished for today. Although I busted my damn finger. I know my nail's gonna fall out, but small wins. On to the next one. So what do I gotta do? Tomorrow the brakes come, and then put the brakes on, bleed it, put it on the floor. We're gonna drive it around for a little bit, and then I'll end up painting the wheels. That's what I'm gonna do. So that's the goal. That's the reason why I haven't been recording. It's been real hot. We've been putting in work. I got the wheels all painted. Real nice. Let me show you what we got going on in the booth. I've not been recording. It has been hot, so it's a little unmotivating, but we're still working, just not recording. So wheels are done. I'm gonna get the wheels put on the car. Brakes already bled. You missed that. We'll put her on the floor and start doing how to do the airbags. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the airbags, and then ABS, all that good stuff. But it's hot. It is hot here. So here we are. And these are the spacers that it came with. Non-hub centric spacers.
They loose already? Oh, you gotta take it.
Yeah, no, I'm just trying. I gotta do it from the start. Do it if I hold it right here. Let me just show so I can get a camera. Look at it. And this is not even in. If he bolts it, And I was just scared when it goes, it gets really, like, look how close that is. So that's not good.
Ready?
Yeah. All right, cool. Thank you, Carlos. Progress on the 1s and 2s. So then I got hub-centric ones. All right. Ooh, look at that, like freaking a magnet. Here, I'll put this one on. This is a 1-person jet. So those fit good. All right, they're not gonna hit. The only sucky thing is our lug nuts. Check this out. There's not enough meat to catch. Well, not enough meat that I'm comfortable with. So let me show you what we got to do. Sweating nuts. Here we are. I gotta do a stud removal while you guys weren't looking. Anyway, so we had to move the studs. I got the caliper and I knocked them right out there. So on the other side, you guys are gonna see. Amazon just came in, so we got some stud. Man. Oh crap! Hell yeah!
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And I got extended lug nuts. All right, cool. Yeah, because you can't use the regular. These are, I think M12 by 1.5. And the factory is M12 by 1.25, so I had to get new studs and extended studs to make this work. All right, so we got this on there. I gotta do all that, Carlos?
No, I have to go even Steven.
I was like, this is good for YouTube. There we go. This is crazy, man. I have to look at this. So all done. It's definitely clearing the caliper, but look at this. Tire shop with the weights over here. Look how close it gets to that. So I don't know how I feel about that. It is temporary. I got new wheels coming for this thing anyway, but huh. That's weird. It's nice. Looking very good. Very good. It is hot. Next, seats. And then we got a program SRS. I'm gonna show you guys how to program the seats and attach the VIN to the chassis of the car and then clear all your codes. That's next. Don't have my seats yet. It will be, I'll bring it on Monday. Everything's at my house because stuff like that has to be stored very safe. So looking good. Check her out. So dusty. Looking good. And I think that is it for this. Like the saying goes, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next vlog. Take care.